up, fam? Oh man, you got your popcorn ready? We are heading into some of the lowest prices we've seen yet. I'm excited. Got some nice water right next to me, some nice snacks, and about to see the show with you, everybody. What's going on? Welcome. Officially, Bitcoin has reached $29,000 as expected. CRO Crocoin. Look at that. Look at that. 20 cents, everybody. Luna absolutely demolished. Luna absolutely demolished. What's happening? I'm gonna give you my thoughts in this live, everybody. What's going on? Welcome. Welcome. You guys put me on the side. Let's go ahead and chill. We've had so many conversations at this point. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this one. Absolutely. It's a great time to be in crypto. And the last time we were in this place was last year, 2021. Here it is. So it's been half a year since we've been here, everybody. Loving it. And I've said it earlier today, right? I'm not buying anything until I see Bitcoin going under. And that's what's happening right now. We love it. Welcome, guys. What's going on? Man. So Terra Luna decided to explode down because they depecked from the dollar. And I was watching an update from who? From George. I am George in one of his channels, and basically saying that they got attacked by somebody who was a threat for the project before. So interesting stuff. What's going on, Crypto Trinity? Happy to have you here. Crashing, baby. Crashing bad. And that's what we like it. CROcrypto.com right now. Also crashing nicely. That's exactly what we like to see, everybody. On a Monday. Look at this thing. Also, our DeFi plays super down too. 20, 29, 842. So while I was preparing this one, everybody, I was looking at prices of 20 cents. 30,000, 30 something thousand. So started today at 34,000. About 5,000 gone. We love it. What a bloodbath, everybody. I'm excited. I'm going to be seeing these prices with you guys, of course. What I have right here, of course, is the 200, 150-day moving average weekly for Bitcoin, which that explains that we're heading into a lower low, even less than the 2021 expectation, as we've said, Throughout this whole day, just kind of hearing what the market and the people are saying online. Love to see it. DCA, and of course, Marcus. Yep. Right now, if I go to Twitter, people are going to be like, finally, $29,000. Luna is at 30. Yes, dude. Look at that. So if you ever wanted a time to buy Luna, guess what? You got it. Today is a chill day, everybody. We already got our live out of the way, which love it. It's Monday. We're barely starting the week. And now we're seeing this. Terra Luna went all the way here with a massive Fibonacci retracement here. This was September 21st. In pretty much 2 days, gone. Just because they depecked from the US dollar and used Bitcoin reserves. That's what happened. 29,000, baby. And I don't know if you've seen it, but what was I gonna say? The Bored Ape Yacht Club and most of the major altcoin NFT projects, they are also down bigly, down big. So basically means that people are liquidating and having cash on hand. It's very crazy. Ukraine, what's going on, buddy? Very crazy out there, that I can tell you. If you want just a chill night to listen to someone speak about crypto, you're in the right place, guys. You're in the right place. I mean, as you know, if you're a usual here in the channel, this is just a relaxed one, and I love it. For the last couple of weeks talking about this, and after watching videos from Benjamin Owen, a stud when it comes to crypto technical analysis, and George and other people, basically seems that the veterans coming in giving us this pat on the back, saying, "Look, if we go even lower, it's all right. We'll come back. Bitcoin will come back. So just know that." Mm. So of course we're at this point. Of course we're gonna go lower than 29,118 that we put in June 2021. Of course, I mean, has to happen. Has to happen. Because I don't think Bitcoin is just gonna bounce from that support line right here at $28,000. I really don't think so. For CRO, just see this, everybody. I'm gonna move to the 1 day. Eka, look at this. Super close. It is gonna happen. But isn't this insane and crazy, right? What a crazy turn of events. And I can just see the volume at the bottom, and it doesn't really match what we saw in December, November, when it was a massive crash. Now it's just consolidation in the volume. And then I'm just seeing, of course, how it's easy peasy. Massive crashes started with the slashing of the card stuff for CRO, for Cronos. And now, obviously, the bear market that we're seeing. Luna. You see, even Luna. So I'm happy. Haven't bought any Luna yet. So, I mean, it's already 100% retracement. You buy here, and then you make literally a 4x. A 4x if you go back to the all-time high for Terra Luna. Then for Bitcoin, now I feel even more bullish on Bitcoin. That's going to go even lower, which is just going to be great for us to buy the dip very nicely. Hey, David, any questions? Let me know, everybody. We're chill today, just having a great time with the community. Any questions? Go for it. I mean, at this point, we already know what's happening. We already know where we're heading, right? We already know where we're heading. There's just no point for me to say it once again. But I think we can take a lot from here and saying, well, now Bitcoin, a lot of fudders are going to be talking out saying that Bitcoin is going to zero, because, I mean, you go to Twitter, you're going to see that every single day. And of course, that's farthest from the truth. I think anything less than $30,000 is an amazing deal for Bitcoin, right? Because you have to understand that if you buy $10,000 of Bitcoin, which is the most stable cryptocurrency there is, right? A lot of people say that Bitcoin is, one of the most, if not the most perfect way of technology to preserve wealth. That's Bitcoin. Imagine grabbing it at $30,000 right now. If you expand that horizon all the way to 5 years from now, what you just purchased today or tonight, it's gonna mean nothing later on, because the price is gonna be so high that you wouldn't even believe it. You wouldn't even believe it. That is the actual reality of this. Thanks for covering this right now. It helps with suck hearing your talk. I appreciate it, Drew. Of course, just keeping it real. Always keeping it real. Because everybody here is down. I understand that. Well, most of us, I don't want to assume everybody's down. Most of us are down, and we just want to have a connection, with people. Because at the end of the day, we're all in the same boat. as knowing that the next billion user that crypto.com wants to attack, wants to get, it's still out there for people to grasp. And that's what all the exchanges are trying to do. Invest in that like button, cheaper than crypto. Don't forget to smash the like button, everybody, and consider subscribing to the channel, because we already know what's going on. And I mean, this is not gonna end well for crypto in the short term, right? It's just not going to. But eventually we're gonna be thriving later on with much higher prices, and that's what I want. That's what I want at the end of the day. Let me show you here. We have coin market cap. Let's see what the damage is here. 1.36 trillion. 1.36 trillion. Man, that was 3 trillion a couple of months ago. Now it's 1.36 trillion. Now we're looking at 30,000. So it's coming back, going and leaving. Solana, guys, Terra Luna was up here. Now it's crashed completely to $30. I think at this point with Terra Luna, it's really not a bad idea to start chipping in a little bit because it's already super down. I mean, for anyone who is bullish on Terra Luna, right? It's already at a good place. I will say the same thing if we were looking at Cronos at anywhere around 15 cents. Like, yes, it can go lower, but it's already at that point that whatever you put in is going to make you money in the long term. It's the same as saying that Bitcoin is going to go $20,000. That's it. Like, that's it. To me, it's like, okay, we're super down. Yes, we can go lower, but that's it. Like, I think that's that's buying something so cheap that because you don't know when it's going to stop, just kind of secure a position. That's the way I see it. That's how I see Terra Luna right now. Terra Luna right now, it's it's at that point that it already did 100% retracement. Yeah, so I'm probably gonna be buying. I'm gonna buy some Terra Luna right now. Why not? Glad that I have my application here, Coinbase Pro. Terra Luna basically depegged from the US dollar, and they're using their Bitcoin reserves. And you can take a look at the USD here. 70. Woo! This is supposed to be a stable coin. It's not that stable, right? So just imagine how many people got wrecked. Anyone here own USD? Like I was thinking about getting into this, but I haven't because I'm in Cronos all the way. It's not like Cronos is doing better when it comes to price, but it is what it is, right? But yeah, we're getting wrecked here, left and right. TERRA, I completely agree. Everybody buy Luna now. I mean, just kidding. Yeah, just getting ready to double my position. I mean, it's already at that point that, I mean, look at just the liquidation. Just might as well secure just a little bit of this. Oh, I remember that. Why I couldn't buy Terra Luna? It's not on Coinbase Pro. Oh, that's true. But I believe it's on Gemini, but I'll have to log in and it's just a pain. I forgot. Yeah. Well, buy Terra Luna, guys, if you want, of course. It's already at that point that, I mean, come on. This is the longest crash I've ever seen. I'm cool. Bro, we haven't even, well, we already started, but we're not even at the end of this crash, man. I think so, right? We're not even at the end of this crash. That's one thing I can tell you right now. You're all cam. I know what's going on happen now. That's nice. You got into Luna at $7. Well, I hope you got some positions out. Let me tell you that. Absolutely insane. Sniff. Gotta tell you that. Crashing everywhere. Bitcoin under 30,000. It was under 30. It's probably gonna come back. I see some people buying right now, which makes sense. So people are already maybe saying, you know what, the buyers are coming in at $30,000. I mean, like, they don't want it to go even lower or stay at 29,000, because if they know if the floor opens for Bitcoin and passes the 29, 28, it's like that's a free fall nicely, because at that point you don't have any more support. At $29,000, if you go less than that, you don't have any more support for Bitcoin, and that kind of guarantees the whole market is going to continue dipping. Today, surprisingly, when the stock market opened, I didn't see such a big drop. Not even 1,000 points in any of the three like index. It was just like 500 points, 3-4%. So not as bad as I thought in the stock market, but in the crypto market, it's getting wrecked, and kind of like you're getting the results much faster than if you were in the stock market. Abro haven't taken any L so far because I haven't sold anything, my friend. We may be very low, but we may our portfolios may be very down. But if you don't sell anything and you keep holding for years, guess what? You're gonna surprise yourself of your resilience, and you're gonna make a lot of money in the long term. That's pretty much the reality of this. You need to be able to hold. Everybody tells you that, right? If you cannot, then that's it. Grab Luna. True, right? It's gonna take more than a year to recover. I do agree that it's gonna take a while to recover. I do agree with that for sure. This is not gonna end up in a couple of weeks from now. It just cannot, because what's happening I mean, just gas prices and inflation alone, and then the war and stuff. That's just not ending, in my opinion. September, October 2022. It's gonna take a while for sure. Liam probably all gonna be millionaires, right, in 4 years. I think we're all gonna be really well off in 4 years. That's something that I can be really assured and convinced that in 4 years I think it's gonna be much better than it is right now, and these prices are gonna be forgotten pretty quickly. In the last couple of minutes, we have seen a pump, but usually it's not about having pumps. We always can have pumps, but what it matters is if we have some consistency and constant and like a constant uptrend. Now the way to see that for Bitcoin is to change from the week to the hour, but I have the week right now just to see how things are moving right now. Makes total sense here. Like if I wanted to create a price channel on the weekly, I will do this, right? About this. And then I will make another price channel here. Probably sometime here. So it does in a way match the 200 estimate at the 200 moving average. It does match that if we go this way. So it's gonna be bouncing and touching this price channel, so we can head lower at this price, and then from there head up trend to finally get out of this mess. But that will put us at a price of around $23,000 for Bitcoin. For CRO Cronos, we're starting to see. We'll go to the 15 minutes to see how the prices are looking. So here it is. Let's go ahead and delete this stuff. There it is. So we are just trending in the last Fibonacci retracement level on CRO and Cronos. Welcome, Mr. Lee. Passing the 26 cents right here on the 7th. So just a couple days ago, really not, just 2 days ago, right? It's insane. And we're this close of breaking the 100% retracement on CRO. There it is, just 3%. It was 33% days ago. Now it's just 3%. So I'm convinced that we're going to be breaking that in no time, since we're already here. And once that happens, all Cronos holders will have to make a decision whether to buy the dip or not. But I think at that point, it's already super down. And come on, what an amazing deal, right? Take a look at this. Take a look at this. Ho, ho, ho. You see? Sadly, I couldn't buy it on Coinbase Pro, but yeah, that's why I wanted to buy it at 30. Look at that. It's coming up. Not bad. I think you can buy it on Gemini because I think I've seen it on Gemini. Carlos, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to go lower than 29, like the lowest in 2021. I'm waiting. This that we're seeing right now, it's can easily be a fake pump, bull trap, easy. Makes no sense that this is finally the like that was finally the lowest price. Nah, easily can be a bull trap. I've been in this game for a while. I mean, I can smell them. And the reason why is because what happened with Terra Luna alerted a lot of people saying, hey, what's going on? What's going on? Like, buy, buy, buy. That's what's happening. Which is, I mean, indeed, I mean, there's a lot of people very, very worried for Luna because, I mean, supposed to be stable coin, Luna USD, but I mean, completely garbage. Oh, wow. $8.46 ape coin. Man, they're crushing my dreams there. Solana, $64. Dogecoin, we have 10 cents. XRP, 50 cents. I'm token is gonna add a zero. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Oh, baby. Better believe it, right? Better believe it. AM token is probably at a zero. I already know my AM token. We're already down here. AM token is gonna be like, come on, baby, let's get a zero. Come on. No AMP. It was the other way. It was the other way. I believe it's so funny. Shiba Inu is also one that people are saying that it may add a zero. Shiba Inu. I've seen some videos around it. But yeah, my friends, it's becoming very nicely, guys. Bitcoin went under what was it? 30,000, 29,000. This small little pump that we have, don't let it deceive you, because this is when, this is like the perfect environment for day traders. If you're a day trader today, you're making a lot of money. But when it comes to long-term holders, this is one of the worst nightmares if you're trying to time the market, right? But the only one that I consider to be decent is going to be Terra Luna at a 100% retracement. Like, how in the world are you going to see a top 10 by market cap do a 100% retracement? That is rare. It happens, but that is rare. And this occurred not because of the crypto crash. It occurred because of USD just pegged, and it was just a massive blow to the price of Luna. That is why we're super, super down. So it's like the same thing with CRO with the cards. Doesn't really like, of course, now it's worse because of the bear market, but it just adds on and makes the I don't know how to say it, but just makes the scenario be worst. $35. So right about here, when I saw this $30, I'm like, gotta be buying some for sure. And usually, because I buy it on Gemini Active Trader, I have to log in. I see like an entire process, but I'm not gonna do it right now. These are the times, guys. Crypto crashing times, my favorite times. Because here's what you can get some of the amazing, most awesome prices. Sub Cahoon, welcome. Luna will drop as fast as it rose. Luna really did an amazing thing from like less than $1 all the way to $100+ Man, insane. Some people sold all your Chrome. at 45 cents, cash out $5,700 and took a lot of, like a little bit of a loss. Now you can buy 25 crore. Of course, that is another good strike. That's exactly what I said earlier ago. I said that earlier ago. Yes. Indeed. Indeed. Ooh. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Let me see that drop. Welcome, everybody, to Chilling with Oscar and Crypto. Everything to said, it's been already said, and I love it because we're here having fun. Thank you, Sean.
Will Luna come back from this?
Yes. Good, easy question. Yes. Not really fair to judge a project like Luna or any other project that deserves, a second try or yeah, because I mean it's just Luna. It's not a bad project by no means. Just because of these little issues it experienced and the bear market, absolutely not. It will come back from this. That's why I'm like, oh, I need to buy some Luna for sure. Alerted my patrons to get on Luna when it was at around, I believe, 40 or so. I wasn't expecting this massive crash couple minutes after. But that's just the world of crypto, You have to get used to the world of crypto, that it moves very, very quickly. And you know what? From my last live, I told you that I was waiting for the what was it here, for the crypto fear and greed index, and now, it went from 11 to 10. Well, that's not really such a huge drop, but 10 and below, that's the highest level of fear, So of course, getting exciting out there. I'm gonna go ahead and bring my crypto bubbles that I love. Always, I love them. See, look at this. See, look at this valley in the last week. But I need my hour. I need my day. There you go. And I need my year. I'm gonna go to the hour. So yeah, in the last hour, we see a small little quick pump. USD destroyed absolutely. ApeCoin. You see that right now. QNT Luna. Let me see the day.
Yeah.
Here's the day, everybody. Slaughter.
What price will you Luna?
What price am I gonna get Luna on right now? I think right now is great. $30 or 29, 28, the better. Yeah, I think it's good. Can it go lower than that? I mean, it was less than $10. I mean, not that long ago. Here it is, Luna. I don't have the full chart here, but I can find it for you. Luna, let's use Tether. I mean, yes, Tether. Here it is. This is Luna, everybody. This is 2021. So the price here, the price of Luna was $1. So that date, Bitcoin was close to the same price when Luna was $1. So obviously, guys, Luna is still making a lot of people so much money. Thank you very much, Sean, for your kind and awesome support. Thank you. And that's what I can tell you. It could drop lower, but for what it is, it's already a great price. Like always, like if you are an investor who wants to DCA your way down, well, do not do it in a big chunk, right? I mean, try to diversify your investments, and I think that's gonna keep you out of a lot of mistakes for sure. Still in the year now. Where's Shiba Inu? Where's Shiba Inu here? Am I blind or what? I don't see Shiba Inu. Can't believe it. Come on. Well, I don't see it. You guys see it? Great. Oh, here it is. No way. So yeah, It was millions percentage. Now it's all the way here. It's all right. It's all right. We'll come back. We'll come back. Gala GMT with the speed and app, crushing it. Something that, of course, a lot of people know. Luna still doing well. So all of these that really exploded. CRO, hey, here, CRO. Nice. Crocoin, nice. You see? Very important way of putting things together. Altcoins are, you know what? Because well, I mean, here it is once again. It's a great representation. Bitcoin in the last year 44%, but then you start looking at other different altcoins and they are 100, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80. You see? 60, 80, 75. So that is why when you're a beginner, and I need to learn that too, don't get me wrong, we need to never forget about Bitcoin, because if we are buying things when we have a bear market right next to us, well, of course, we're going to be facing the consequences of that, and that's going to be lower prices. Bitcoin consolidating, stabilizing for a while. I'm going to go ahead and change. I'm just going to leave it here for the week on Bitcoin. I'm going to change to Crocoin in a little bit. So with Crocoin, just in the last couple of minutes, we are seeing that we are getting, we still got to try it once again. But I mean, I don't want to say that the bottom is going to be just 20 to 19 cents, right? I still think that we can go much lower, but I'm happy that it's still stabilizing just 3% down, my friends. And we're at that point for sure. Nicole says, best time to buy Luna. You have a buy order for SHIB at 0.000004. 4094, that's adding, I'm sorry. I think that's adding one more zero. That's not bad for sure. Solana is also another good one. I'm adding Solana for NFT purposes. You sold all your MMF at 60 cents. MVP. That's not bad. This is going to be probably one of the best weeks in crypto to buy for the whole year. I don't see another fire sale like this. That's completely agree, everybody. Have to understand something. Yes, it might look weary and fearful, but when are we going to be getting these prices again? You tell me, right? Just in the bear markets. Remember, that's another thing that I really don't emphasize too much. When we're in a bull market, prices go to levels that nobody really expects. So few people expected Cardano to reach $3, and it did. It did reach. Wait, am I making this? Yes, it did. Yes, it did reach $3. I remember. It did reach $3 very briefly, but it did reach $3. Yes. Okay, just for a little bit. Close to $3. Because I did see that $3, but it did. A little bit. So those prices are, like, no way it did. Yes. So in this upcoming bull run, right, which once again, nobody knows when it's going to happen with precise date. But once again, what we have learned here, my friends, is that simple as this. When the next time comes, and when you are very high in profits, nobody goes broke by taking them. Nobody, right? Now, you're not going to have a video exactly telling you, hey, Mr. X, sell now to collect your profits. But that's when you have to come out and say, you know what? Now that I've been here in this market for X amount of months or years, now I feel comfortable in taking them. Because by the same token that the bear market lasts, the bull markets also last. And you have to be willing to take that, enjoy that, and then come back and do it. That's just a different way of seeing it, right? Some people that will just hold forever and don't touch it. That's all. That also works. If you're willing to wait years from now, 10, 15, 5, 7, really it works as long as you are patient. As long as you're patient. Are we going to see Crocoin at $1? That is one of the best questions I'm going to ask to my beautiful community right now. Are we seeing $1 CRO in 2022? So I'm going to add yes, no, and need more info. And if need more info wins, I'm going to give you everything I got on CRO right now live. Let's go, everybody. Go ahead and smash the like button right now. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells if you can. Of course, that helps the channel a lot. We're talking about crypto stuff. Crypto, Bitcoin, and everything in between. We're seeing the price bleed because that's when investors make money. That's when investors rise, right? And we take the W's. Well, we take the L's first, and then we take the W's as price, stops dumping. And I'm eating some yogurt here, just chilling. This is one of the lives that I just want to chill and enjoy my community. That's it. And just watch the prices go down or go up, whatever it goes, wherever it takes us. But as we talk, Bitcoin is close to 31,000. Not bad. That's not bad. I like it. Not in 2022, but maybe mid 2023, up to 4. Okay. $4 CRO 2023. I see some bullish people out there in the chat. I love it. We love the bullish people. Bullish and bearish. We love you guys. Both of them. Some people doubting on that. No problem. When does the bloodbath will stop, Mike? By showing you the chart that I'm showing you right now with Bitcoin. Usually the markets trend to go to the 200 moving average weekly. That has happened every single, you go down, go back. That's what happened before every single bull run. So we're on our way there. We're heading there. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do something like this. We come, we bounce back, fake pump, we come down, and we touch it. That could happen. That could happen. So that's a total possibility for Bitcoin based on, precedence, what's happened before. So we're not going to be seeing any altcoin season anytime soon unless Bitcoin does much better. That's it. I owned Jasmine before, but not anymore. I kind of just wanted to focus on other stuff for sure. 100 US CRO 2030, Luis, man. And I think that is the beautiful thing about crypto, because even if it sounds so crazy, when it comes to crypto, you really never know, because people we have seen some prices that are really unprecedented in crypto, right? So it's fair game oftentimes. Nikos, if Bitcoin hits 80 to 90K, it's possible to reach $1. Nikos, it's not a bad idea. Bitcoin does really needs to go way up its all-time high for Crocoin to easily beat that $1 mark. Because if Crocoin almost did it at 97, 98 cents, and Bitcoin wasn't even close to that. So I'm bullish that by the time all that momentum that crypto has and the altcoins have, things are going to be looking much better for them, right? So never say never on this ones. Altcoins can always show different phases and different scenarios. But for this one, what I like is when it's bear season, people just start selling. and not selling because they're panicking, but they're liquidating because they bought much early so they can still make profits, right? That's what happened. Bitcoin, Crocon, Luna coming back in the last couple of minutes, everybody. So I told you just a couple minutes ago, 30, buy. I couldn't because my phone, whatever. Now it's $10 up. Guys, for a day trader, you just made 28%. Guys, as just the time that we're talking, somebody just made 28% return. That is amazing. On CRO, take a look at this, baby. Nice. People are buying. People are buying. Fake pump. Bull trap. Not bad. Crocon. Let's go. Let's go, baby. So, it's neck and neck, baby. Are we seeing CRO $1 in 2022? 42%. Hey, guys, come on. Who's going to win this one? Only a few people need more information. Okay, I got it. So most people already know what's going on. Great. So people are bullish in CRO and some people are bearish in CRO, saying, you know what? I don't think so. All right. See you guys. I see you. I like that a lot. Bitcoin going to 22 to 23K. Clacked it like. I mean, definitely 22 to 23, that will be my bottom. That will be my bottom. And I think it's good to have a strategy like a bottom, right? Because at that price, that's it. If we do reach that price, that's it for me. I'm starting to buy heavy and forget till we have the next bull run. That's it. Yeah, I mean, I no longer have to wait longer to really getting on a new position. That's it. That's the bottom. That's the bottom according to the data. That's the bottom according to the TA. What else to wait? What else to wait? It's exactly what we've been waiting for. That one. Hey, Alex. What's going on, my man? Welcome. We're coming up. Love to see that.
Oh, yeah.
Send it, buddy. What's going on?
I've been having issues with the DeFi wallet, running errors and flashing. Do you think they already started updating the DeFi wallet?
Flashing. Well, I have used the DeFi wallet. I haven't seen any errors, Alex. I've used an iPhone, so I haven't seen any errors as of right now. But I'm sure that, I mean, they do update and they do tell us. So far, I haven't seen any issues, my friend. But in the past, I know it gets somewhat buggy. Yes. Thank you, Alex. Appreciate your kind support. Appreciate it, my man. Thank you. Was SafeMoon a rug pull in your opinion, fool? Well, SafeMoon, I never invested on SafeMoon. Never, ever. Just not what I do, right? And I don't even know what SafeMoon is or like where SafeMoon is right now. So not really interested on that one. But I do remember seeing it every single time on TikTok videos. Man, that was insane. Same as Shiba Inu, same as Cardano, same as XRP, same as Dogecoin, right? But you're not gonna be seeing like what I see right now on TikTok a lot is the lives, people, doing kind of like what I'm doing, but with a live. So yeah. But videos really not that much. Interceptor, I'll buy CRO around 0.13 cents, easy buy. I get it. So people are bullish on the downtrend, not bad. Coming up a little bit more, which is great. I mean, we love to see that. Eventually, of course, we already know that we're going to be completely fine. This is just things that are going through the market and things that we have to go through as family, and as crypto community. But nothing to be scared of. Gotta tell you that. What are your thoughts on Axe? I have no idea what Axe is, my friend. Affiliate marketing. No idea what that is. One. 22 Steel says $1. No. Well, both know then. Who's winning? No is winning. Okay. Super change of events. People now are saying no. Okay. I see you guys. So a lot of people saying no to the $1 CRO. Fantastic. We're still leaving that poll open. Got more than 170 people here. Don't forget to vote right now. Don't forget to vote, everybody. Let's see where we end up. Hey, Blue, what's up, man? Exciting times for crypto. Just make sure you always have cash on hand to get these deals, because we had a deal on Luna and now it's coming back, but we are having deals. Don't miss them.
I'm new with the cryptocurrency. What would you recommend putting money in at this particular time?
Well, Blue, thank you very much for your kind support. What would I recommend? Well, remember, this is not financial advice as always, just my own personal recommendations. Really depends how much money you have. But if you want to, kind of really depends to the budget that you want to allocate. But if you're new, this goes to all the new ones. Bitcoin, 50%, then 25% Ethereum, and the rest played with all the cryptos that we talk in the channel. There it is. Now, you might say, but Oscar, I'm not going to get a lot of earnings. I'm not going to get a lot of profit from that. I want to change my life in one night. Well, my friend, we need, for that to happen, I get it, but we need a bull market for that. We don't have it right now. That's reality. So get Bitcoin, get Ethereum. You're not going to regret it. You're going to be with us for a long time. Welcome aboard. Thank you, man. Appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I got a lot of links down below to my Twitter, to my Patreon, to my Discord, to all these different recommendation places that I have personally screened, that I know their work. Just all for the community, guys. If you need more help, there it is, guys. There it is. For all the fam that is here with me, having a great time, because at the end of the day, we're here together. And although we are seeing some of the lowest prices in 2022, because I'm bullish that we're going to be seeing Bitcoin under 29. That is when we attack, right? When there's no floor, when people are losing all their hope, that's when crypto investors who are hungry for changing their lives and financial freedom, that's when we attack. Right now, there are many things that are expensive. Gas is super expensive. Things are super expensive. Houses are super expensive. Now rates are super high. So it's not really an easy time for us, in my case, millennials, Generation X, Generation Z. So if you're watching this video and you belong to one of those three generations or either, right? Well, you're here because you at least want to learn something and pick up some nice ammo, so later you can go ahead and have a great shot at the market. Well, we are coming from the same background, man, and I think we're gonna break it. But the only thing right now is that we're going through this market that is teaching us a lot of resilience. It's teaching us a lot of patience. And okay, let's listen to everybody and see how we can actually get out of this kind of fast. And it will at the end come to our favor. It will come to our favor, because now that I have a bunch of people watching right now, I was saving this. Where are we heading in the next bull run? That is a great question that I'm about to solve for you guys. In the next bull run, we are heading here. We are right now here. We're close to the buy in the Bitcoin rainbow chart. In the next bull run, we're gonna be somewhere around $150,000, everybody. That's where we're heading. $150,000 in the next bull run. If that's something you like, well, obviously that's something I like, then we are in the same place. Fear might say that we are at extreme fear, but the price says, don't worry, guys. It's all fine. Just make sure you kind of measure all your strategies and entries. And at the end of the day, I think we're going to be completely fine. Yes, everyone. Something you have to understand. We all have to understand. And heavily recommended. Welcome, everybody. Don't forget to smash the like button right now to get more people in the house and continue chilling and looking at these crypto prices, taking your questions, and understanding that this is a revolution in the entire crypto space. The next billion users are coming our way. Companies like crypto.com, Binance, Coinbase, Gemini, FTX, BlockFi, and many more are putting billions of dollars in the game. I don't think we're wasting our time here. We're not. We're not. For sure. We are not wasting up time, and that is going to be exactly what we want for the future. Welcome aboard. RP, of course, that's a great recommendation. Remember to stake your coins so you're able to stake during these times in a bear market. RP, heavily, super right. All my coins in MMF, BVS Finance, Tectonic, CRO, which is on staking for other purposes, algorand, Cardano, I'm token, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and many more, they are staking. So you are making more as you wait. If you are in one of the big exchanges, you may hear the concept of earning interest. I will stay away from that unless you don't have any other choice, because there's way better ways to make more money outside in staking, right? So I will heavily do that for sure, guys. Damage done with Luna. Something is broken. Darkon was willing to, Bitcoin to say his own project. Definitely, this move with Luna was taken by surprise. I understand what you're saying, my friend. I understand what you're saying. UST, right? Demolished completely. So at the end of the day, this is one L for Terra Luna. I'm still gonna buy it. I'm still gonna buy it. It's not like I'm just saying, you know what, I'm out. No, I'm still gonna buy it. So oftentimes you want to take the horrendous times for companies like this to get your position, and as they improve, you grow with them in that investment. Same thing that happened with crypto.com, guys, with the cars. Come on. Just 2 weeks ago, they messed everything up. People left. And now look at us. We're still holding, baby. We're still here. Fight for rights. Told you guys yesterday this was going to crash. Well, yes. We were aware of that, right? And now we're here back again because it went to 31,500. Now it's coming down. You see? Fake bull traps. Love them. Love them, the fake bull traps. They make this life go much faster and easier. Welcome, guys. Happy to have you in the house. This is a chill live, which I really appreciate. Always the news and everything for you. But today it's just chilling with my fam, with the community, and looking at everything and having an amazing conversation. And of course, getting your questions done. FG, 2 more days. 2 more days to unstake my CRO. Cannot believe I have to wait 28 days. It's insane. But 2 more days. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and buy MMF. MMF is a deal right now. I need to buy it as soon as possible. As soon as possible. I'm going to make a lot of money with MMF. Almost guaranteed. Hi from Israel. How you doing, Chico? Happy to have you here. Hi from Texas. Where are you guys watching us from? Tell me right now. I'd love to hear that. From Texas, baby. Where's my California people, UK people, Mexico people, and everywhere in between? You're all welcome. And Oscar Ramos is extremely happy to be with you here. It's an honor, as always, to share this moment with you guys. Terra Luna went to the 38, now back to the 35. Amazing deals and amazing times for us in the crypto space. If you're willing to hold for years, then this is your community. You're not gonna regret it. I know. We got Texas in the house and New Zealand, all the way from New Zealand, my friend. I think, well, right now here is Monday. For you, it's gonna be already Tuesday, right? Puerto Rico in the house, Toronto, Canada, California, and Washington State, Somalia. There you go. Washington State, LA, Portugal. Nice. Mazatlan. Let's go. Amazing, my man. Belgium. Love to see you guys here. What do you think about the Ethereum 2.0, the merge? Well, so far, Luis, I've heard great things. Not really for the gas prices, because that's not going to solve the gas prices, but it's going to make things go to proof of stake. So the merge, It pivoted into the proof of stake, getting away from the proof of work. A lot of people have, and including me, I thought that was going to be a help to the gas prices, but it does seem that it's not really going to help the gas prices. In a way, I like it because it's just a very delayed upgrade to the Ethereum network that had to be done years ago, but finally it's being done, which I like a lot. You got South Florida in the house, the Bay Area, Germany, Brazil, and Texas, of course. Nice. Where am I from? Mexico. Mexico, yeah. We're here in Texas. Loving it. Man, so many flies. Here we go down. Want to see it down. Come on, baby. Crash for us. Love to see the crash. With 224 votes, let's go ahead and end this poll right now, my friends. So, CRO coin. Take a look at that. Take a look at that beautiful B-shaped recovery. Starting to look like a B-shaped recovery. Are we seeing $1 CRO in 2022? And the answer is no, for most people. I got it. Now, why do you think we're not seeing it, guys? Question for everybody in the chat. Now, because no one, we have to explain that no scenario. Well, the no scenario for CRO coin will be because the advertising budget that crypto.com invested, millions, hundreds of millions of dollars, is not really enough to pull the price up, which I'm thankful advertising dollars don't do that. It just brings more eyeballs, which in a way brings more users, which in a way brings more liquidity, which in a way brings more bottom line profits for the company. But when we're in a bear market, all of that goes down the drain because the bear market crushes everything. The no one here, and that just kind of to take that side of the conversation, that will imply that the Bitcoin drop is gonna take a while. Even if Bitcoin goes to $40,000 to $50,000, that doesn't mean that CRO coin will go back to 60 to 70 cents. CRO coin can just consolidate for a long time and just do that and go to 80 to 70 cents, and that will be an amazing price, even if it doesn't reach $1. So, plus, there's of course FTX coming up, so that could be another competitor that could overtake crypto.com, but I don't think so. So, pros and cons. I mean, a lot of people, of course, have already this bearish momentum with CRO and think that that's not going to happen. In my opinion, and after analyzing the markets and how we know where Bitcoin is heading to a much lower low, it is possible that CRO coin, now we have this chance, because I was really bullish before this whole thing started. But now it's possible that, of course, we're going to be back to that 40 to 50 cents. But we just have to see what's going to happen with Bitcoin for Q2, Q3. Because if Bitcoin for Q2, Q3 is still under $40,000 to $50,000, there's just no way CRO is going to be passing $1. There's just no way. That's realistically speaking. Now, you would go ahead and move the timeline to 2023, when now we are finally coming and opening ourselves to a bull run, the game changes forever. But let me explain now that, yes, the one that lost, right? All the altcoins, all the good altcoins are going to explode no matter what. And in this case, CRO coin is going to explode very nicely with Binance also, and Ethereum, and most of the other ERC20 tokens. I'm not concerned about CRO. I think even though they like to spend a lot of money in advertising revenue, what they're doing right now with the partnerships with Cosmos SDK software development kit, the Ethereum channels, and the way that they're transforming the cryptocurrency institutions relationship, right? because one thing you may not know is that crypto.com is establishing long-term partnerships with employers and other different institutions here in the United States. We saw that when the CMO Kevin or Steven, I think it was Steven, was talking in Miami, Florida. So how they are teaching now institutions crypto with crypto institutional. Of course, they're just made a lot of like a huge investment in Cronos Play for the Cronos chain and the NFT, and then of course the crypto.com USA exchange. So in 1 year, crypto.com has done so much, and it's one of those companies that you probably never heard before, but now you hear everywhere. That was me. We're gonna be seeing crypto.com, of course, in the World Cup as the exchange sponsor. So I'm very bullish on what's gonna happen after that. Baby, crypto.com and many other ones are gonna be amazing for all of us to enjoy for sure, guys. Was 92 at the end of 2021. Yes, Tesla. It is what it is. That is the reality for this, guys. Welcome. What do we have here? Ethereum pumping. Well, I'm checking right now my prices. ApeCoin back to $8. I mean, but still was $8. Terra Luna to $37. Not bad, of course. That's something I like. Let's go ahead and come to the cryptocurrencies. 1.41, okay. 1.41, not bad. I like that. So let's go ahead and utilize the bottom that we created, shall we, for technical analysis. So I'm gonna go ahead and start diving in a little bit here. So the bottom that we reached at this point was 20, what was it? Yeah, about 2,900 or something like that. That was the bottom that we reached. And we haven't seen it go back there yet. So I want to wait for the rest of the night and tomorrow to see if we're going to be seeing that again. Which I probably, looking at how things are moving, we may be seeing much lower prices. And that will be amazing because then my theory confirms and then I start buying everything much cheaper. Yes. I will start buying everything much cheaper, and that's exactly what we want to do here. Some people saying that we'll probably see crypto come back tomorrow. As I was explaining, we may have a nice crypto pump, right? Nothing says that we cannot go back to the $34,000. But the question is, thus far, Bitcoin is following very nicely this chart, and we just reached $29,000. So I wouldn't disregard the possibility of going even lower. I wouldn't, my friends. Have more than 250 people watching. Everybody, welcome aboard. Happy to have you all back here watching and talking about why crypto is crashing. Do me a favor and smash the like button right now. Consider subscribing to the channel and take a look at all the links down below for your free stocks and CRO. Got all those links ready for you. And whoever is interested to know the behind the scenes, that talk to me whenever you want, join, of course, the Patreon. The link's also up there. If Bitcoin goes to 20,000, I may be tempted to go all in. Going all in is really not that bad when you have the bottom of that 200 moving average. And why am I saying that? Because this is what happened. What you're seeing on the screen right now, guys, is 2018 and 2020. 2018, $3,200 from $20,000. This is real. From $20,000 to $32,000. So right now we have a drop of 55% on crypto, on Bitcoin. Right now, this drop was 82%. 82% drop. You guys are listening. 82%. Now we had a pump. once again, dropped massively because of the pandemic. But we were heading into this. You see this? This is pandemic mode. So we were heading here, but we got the pandemic. But we still came back. This is so incredible. I love TA. But you notice something? We went back to that white 200 moving average. We went back. So that is why a lot of people, after waiting from, where's my ruler? After waiting from here all the way here, that is 777 days, more than 2 years, about 2 years. About 2 years. So close to 2 years. So we may have another pump and then continue dropping. So that's the sad reality with this, because that would imply a more extensive bear market, which is something crushes everybody, because it's like you want to move, but you have to wait so long. You have to wait so long. You have to wait forever to get that. All the way here. See? So just putting some predictions here, right, of what I think it may happen based on previous history that we're seeing right now in the market. That is the 200-day moving average. Let me explain. This is the 200-day moving average. I don't know why it's not showing here. The 100-day moving average and 50 weekly moving average. There it is. Here it is. And they worked. I've already tested and proofread some of the other crypto experts on YouTube that I follow a lot. I mean, everything that I've learned on my own and from my own research, I'm sharing it with my great family that is watching me right now. So yeah, guys, it's exciting, all the things that are happening for crypto. And consolidation at this time. We like it. But it's always great to see, the past. The past really help us understand better. What is this first one? This first one was 2014, 2013, when we reached $1,200. Can you imagine Bitcoin at $1,200, right? Kind of hard to believe. Then it went down to $230. And then a massive rally. So if you're watching, this is what's coming. This is what's coming. You understand that? My friends, this is what's coming. That's it. Actually, I'm going to use. That's what's coming. That is what's coming, and I'm going to be ready for it. And I'm blocking somebody, but for some reason, they keep spamming. So yeah, that is what's happening eventually. Will it happen in 2023? Chances are it's going to start in 2023, because we're not going to be having this much fun in 2022. I don't think so, by looking at things how are going to be getting ugly. And especially, and of course, if we get this world recession to be for reals, for sure. When you zoom out, Bitcoin was at 3,000. People thought it was pricey. Crypto Nuri 46. I understand and I know, right? Crypto Crew University is Bitcoin YouTuber that doesn't sugarcoat Bitcoin charts. Like I'm a George and all of those. Check his videos. Appreciate that a lot. Will do. Yes, I watch, most of them. Don't sugarcoat anything as well. It is what it is. Got to tell the truth and always be transparent. That's what I like to see. So when we start to zoom out, now take a look at the size of this arrow, okay? Now, it's not that big anymore, huh? Right? It was huge. Look at it now. So one is coming here, guys. One is coming big league here. That's going to take us very high. The question is, are you going to be here to wait for it? Because if you are, then you don't have to worry about anything then. And if you're not, well, then go back to 101 crypto with Bitcoin. I'm just kidding. RP, I mean, it's actually doing a little bit better, RP, you know. But of course, it was super down earlier today. It is kind of like what it is at this point with the prices of crypto, Terra Luna. Bit better right now, but this whole Bitcoin prices can really bite us and show even lower lows for sure. Delicious. Ooh, Ethereum at 1K. It is not at 1K. But I want to see lower low than 2021. It's coming. It's coming. DCA and all your way down. And then, hi, Oscar. Good evening. I'm late. I decided to drop by to say hi. What's going on, Nene? Always happy to see you here. Always happy to see you here. My friends, I don't want to make this, longer than it already is. I think 1 hour is pretty cool. I already went over about an hour. But let's go ahead and give us a summary on this one. It's always good to chill and just talk with the fam, and I appreciate that a lot, guys. You're awesome. We're gonna be covering these crypto markets for the entire week, so expect more info. So don't forget to turn on those notification bells so you're the first one to be notified. And if you have any more questions, just let me know. Of course, follow me on all my social media, Twitter, of course, with daily updates as far as how I'm feeling and how the market is doing. Heavily recommend you do your amazing research, because that's how you can get better in this time. And in my opinion, I think we're still heading lower. I know it's hard to say, but I think still heading lower, especially for Bitcoin, right? So more info coming tomorrow, guys, and I appreciate you joining. Thank you to all the mods, all the donations, and all the new subscribers. You guys are cool. So more crypto news coming from other different YouTubers, because this YouTube space never ends, but you have a home here in this channel. Got it? Thank you guys for watching. Drop a like before you leave, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace, everybody. Thank you very much. And well, let's see how low this gets. Bye for now.